Very good. Okay. How are you? Very good. How old are you? 6. Very good. Okay. Now let's go. Can you read the alphabet? A. Very good. Okay. Now let's go to number 6. Okay. Hold by this. What is that? Very good. So A for? Okay. And then A for? Alligator. Very good. Okay. Now what is this? B. Okay. What sound does it make? Okay. B for? Bird. Okay. And then B for? Banana. Okay. Now what letter is this? C. What sound does it make? Okay. Now C for? Cat. Okay. And then C for? Cup. And then C for? Car. Okay. Now what letter is this? D. Very good. What sound does it make? Okay. D for? Dog. And then D for? Duck. What letter is this? What sound does it make? Okay. E for? Egg. 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 F. What sound does it make? Okay. F for?
Tuấn ơi